spruce up your space. Awesome front yard decorating ideas. Your front yard is the first impression of your home, a canvas that reflects your personality. Whether it's the lush greenery, colorful flowers, artistic yard decor, well-decorated yard can enhance your curb appeal and create warm welcome for guests and passersby alike. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore a variety front yard decorating ideas that marry beauty with functionality. From seasonal touches to DIY home decor projects, we will cover landscaping ideas that can transform your outdoor space into an inviting oasis. Understanding the importance of front yard decorating. Curb appeal. Curb appeal is the distinction between a home that stands out and one that blends into its surroundings. It sets the tone for your home's aesthetic and can significantly impact your home's value. By investing time and effort into front yard decorating, you can enhance your home's exterior appearance, making it more attractive to potential buyers and visitors. Outdoor living. The front yard is not just a passageway to your home. It can be an extension of your living space. Creative landscaping can turn your front yard into a charming outdoor living area where family and friends can gather. Imagine sipping coffee on a sunny morning or hosting evening gatherings with beautifully lit pathways and inviting seating areas. Key elements of front yard decorating. Landscaping ideas. Landscaping is the backbone of any front yard design. Here are some ideas to get you started. Native plants. Choose plants that are native to your area. They require less maintenance and provide habitat for local wildlife. Layering. Create depth by layering plants of varying heights. Use taller plants in the back and shorter ones in the front. Pathways. Incorporate pathways that guide visitors through your garden. Use stones, gravel, or bricks for a rustic look. Yard decor. Decorative elements can add personality and charm to your front yard. Consider these options. Garden statues. Whether whimsical or elegant, statues can serve as focal points. Birdhouses. These can attract local wildlife while serving as decorative accents. Planters. Use colorful planters to display seasonal flowers or greenery. Seasonal touches. Change your yard's look with the seasons. Spring. Plant tulips, daffodils, and hyacinths for bright colors. Summer. Use vibrant annuals like petunias and marigolds. Fall. Incorporate pumpkins, gourds, and autumn leaves for a seasonal touch. Winter. Use evergreen plants and holiday decorations to keep your yard lively. Creative front yard ideas. DIY home decor projects. Engage in DIY projects to personalize your front yard. Custom welcome sign. Create a wooden sign to greet visitors. Painted rocks. Decorate rocks with inspirational quotes or colorful designs. Upcycled furniture. Transform old furniture into unique yard decor. Outdoor design features. Incorporate design elements that elevate your outdoor space. Water features. Consider adding a small fountain or pond. The sound of water can create a serene atmosphere. Lighting. Install solar-powered lights along pathways or spotlights on trees to enhance visibility and ambience. Seating areas. Create a cozy nook with benches or chairs surrounded by flowers. Focal points and structures. Design a focal point that draws the eye. Arbors and trellises. These can support climbing plants and serve as architectural features. Fire pits. A fire pit can create an inviting gathering spot during cooler months. Sculptural plants. Consider ornamental grasses or unique shaped shrubs for visual interest. Enhancing your front yard's functionality. Practical landscaping. Think about the functionality of your front yard. Mulching. Use mulch to reduce weeds and retain moisture in the soil. Irrigation. Consider a drip irrigation system to conserve water and keep your plants healthy. Edible gardens. Incorporate edible plants like herbs and vegetables into your landscaping for a practical twist. Environmental considerations. Make eco-friendly choices in your front yard decorating. Rain gardens. These can help manage stormwater runoff while providing habitat for wildlife. Compost bins. They can help reduce waste and create nutrient-rich soil for your garden. Permeable pavement. This allows water to seep through, reducing runoff and promoting groundwater recharge. Sprucing up your front yard is not just about aesthetics. It's about creating a welcoming environment for yourself and others. With a blend of landscaping ideas, yard decor, and seasonal touches, you can transform your outdoor space into a reflection of your style and personality. As you embark on this journey of home improvement, remember that each element you choose contributes to the overall curb appeal of your home. Whether you opt for DIY home decor projects or invest in professional outdoor design, your front yard can become a beautiful and functional extension of your living space. By embracing creativity and sustainability, your front yard can serve as a stunning introduction to your home while also enhancing your outdoor living experience. Take the time to explore the possibilities and enjoy the process of making your front yard a true expression of your home and lifestyle. Sprucing up your front yard can significantly enhance your home's curb appeal, create inviting outdoor living spaces, and reflect your personal style. By incorporating a combination of effective landscaping ideas, yard decor, and seasonal touches, you can transform your outdoor space into a beautiful and welcoming environment. Whether you choose to make small changes or embark on larger DIY home decor projects, the result will be a front yard that not only elevates your home's appearance, but also provides a delightful area for relaxation and enjoyment. Remember, the key to successful front yard decorating lies in planning and creativity. Take your time to explore different ideas, and don't hesitate to experiment with various elements until you find the perfect combination that suits your style and enhances your outdoor living experience. Happy decorating!